Hi everyone and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy Gold Star channel. In this video is the reading practice 11. Right up. Alright, so let's start reading. You can follow after me, okay? Let's start. Alter. Again. Alter. Alter. Okay. Next. Alter. Again. Alter. Alter. Okay, so the sound of this is like alter. Okay, alter. Again, alter, alter. Okay, they have the same sound. Right, let's go to the next. Assailant. Again, assailant. Again, assailant. All right, next, this is easy. Air. Again, air. Air. Next, ambulance. Again, ambulance. Again, ambulance. Next word, clothes. Again, clothes. Clothes. Next, crisps. 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 Okay. Next, catastrophic. Again, catastrophic. Next, catastrophic. Okay. Next word, crocodile. Again, crocodile. Crocodile. Okay. Next, decision. 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 Okay. Next word, deterioration. 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 Okay. Next, development. Again, development. Again, development. Next, order. 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 Next word, exclamation. 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 Next word, envelope. Envelope. Again, envelope. Next, language. 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 Okay, next word, little. 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 Okay, next, literature. 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 Okay, next, law. 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 Okay, next, low. 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 Okay, next, murder. 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 Okay, next, mentor. 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 Next word, mantra. 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 Okay, next, should. 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 Next, thistle. 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 Next word, wood. 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 Next, unfortunate. 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 Okay, let's try to syllabicate the words, okay, so it's easier to read. So, alter. Alter. Okay, assailant. Right, air is one, ambulance. Okay, clothes is one, Crisps is one. Catastrophic. Okay. Crocodile. Decision. Okay. Deterioration. Deterioration. Okay. Development. Order. Okay. Exclamation. Envelope. Language. Little. Little. Okay. Literature. Law. Murder. Mentor. Mantra. Should. So. Would. Then. Unfortunate. Okay, so they are syllabicated, alright? For easier reading. Okay, so now let's read again. Okay, let's go ahead. Alter. Alter. Okay, just follow the syllabicated words, okay? Assailant. Assailant. Okay, assailant. Alright? Air. Air. Next. Ambulance. Again. Ambulance. Ambulance. Okay. Ambulance. Next. Clothes. Clothes. Okay. Next word. Crisps. Crisps. Next. Catastrophic. Again. Catastrophic. Catastrophic. Alright. Next word. Crocodile. Again. Crocodile. Crocodile. Okay. Again. Crocodile. Next. Decision. Again. Decision. Decision. Again. Decision. Next word. Deterioration. Again. Deterioration. 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 Next. Development. Again. Development. Development. Again. Development. Okay, next. Order. 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 Okay, next. Exclamation. 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 Again. Exclamation. Next. Envelope. Again. Envelope. Envelope. Again. Envelope. Next. Language. Again. Language. 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 Next. Little. 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 Next. Literature. Again. Literature. Literature. Again. Literature. Okay. This is one syllable only. Law. Okay. Likewise, just a single syllable. or one syllable. Low, low. Okay, next. Murder, 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 murder. Okay, next. Mentor, mentor, mentor. Again, mentor. Okay, next. Mantra, mantra, mantra. Again, mantra. Next, this is a single or one syllable only. Okay, should, should. Next, thistle. Again, thistle, thistle, thistle. Okay, one syllable. Wood, wood. Okay, next. Unfortunate. Again, unfortunate. Okay, unfortunate. Again, unfortunate. Okay, let's read all of them for the last time. Okay, follow after me. Alter, alter. Assailant, air, ambulance, clothes, crisps, catastrophic, crocodile, decision, deterioration, development, order, exclamation, envelope, language, little, literature, law, low, murder, mentor, mantra, should, thistle, would, unfortunate. Okay, so we have just finished the 11th reading practice. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you keep learning with us. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Stick around for the next video, and bye for now.